That's your entire pre-call prep, handled in 2 messages inside Telegram. No HubSpot tabs, no LinkedIn, no calendar back and forth. Hey, I'm Alex, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build this CRM AI agent inside Jet Admin step by step. Let's get into it. Here's what this AI agent actually does once it's built. Your team can ask it anything about the pipeline and get a real answer. Deal stages, stale opportunities, revenue at risk. It can research any prospect for structured contact data. It drafts and sends emails from Gmail, books meetings through Calendly automatically, and syncs everything back to HubSpot. The whole point is this. Every CRM tasks your reps do manually, logging calls, updating deal stages, researching accounts, scheduling follow-ups, becomes a conversation in Telegram from their phone. That's what we're building. Let's go. Step 1, go to the agent builder and name it CRM agent. Define the instructions. It defines how the agent thinks, what it prioritizes, and how it handles edge cases. Don't skip this. A well-written prompt is the difference between an AI agent that actually helps and one that hallucinates deal stages. We're dropping a ready-to-use template in the description. Just paste it in. Set the model to GPT 5.4 for the best reasoning performance on complex multi-step sales tasks. Then click Add To and connect the agent to your Telegram group. Invite the Jet Admin bot, link your agent, and from that point on, everyone in the group can talk to it directly. Step 2, click plus data and actions and connect HubSpot. This is the heart of the AI CRM. The agent reads from it and writes back to it. Enable 4 collections: contacts, companies, and deals with read and update access, and owners as read only. Then enable 2 actions: search CRM to search across contacts, companies, and deals to find relevant records and analyze relationships, and create association to link contacts to companies and deals to maintain proper CRM relationship mapping. Let's do a quick test right here in the builder. I'll ask, how's our Q1 pipeline looking? Anything at risk? It's already reading your CRM. That's the AI sales automation loop working in real time. Step 3, add internet search and fetch URL content. This is what lets the AI agent answer questions like who are the decision makers at our top 10 open deals, verified contact data, org charts, funding history, all pulled in context. Step 4, add Gmail, enable the drafts collection, then turn on read, create, and update permissions to ensure a human must approve the content before anything goes out. That's AI for business done the right way. Step 5, add Calendly, enable event types and scheduled events so the agent checks the availability before booking, and create scheduling link so every calendar invite the agent creates already has a meet link in it. Step 6, set the welcome title and the description. That's it. The agent is ready. Let me show you the full workflow from start to finish. I ask it to give me a summary of open deals that haven't been updated in the last 7 days. The agent returns a structured pipeline breakdown: names, stages, values, last activity. Let's research TechFlow Inc. I have a call with them tomorrow. Agent returns company overview, key contacts, and enrichment data from Apollo. I'd also draft a follow-up email to their VP of sales and schedule a 30-minute discovery call for tomorrow at 2 p.m. Agent drafts email, checks availability, creates calendar event, attaches meet link. 3 messages: pipeline review, prospect research, outreach, and scheduling. All done. This is what AI automation actually looks like when it's built for a real workflow. Think about what just changed. Before this agent, your reps were switching between HubSpot, LinkedIn, Gmail, and Calendar, manually copying notes, updating stages, and scheduling meetings one by one. Now that entire workflow is a conversation. No dashboards, no tabs, just ask and it's done. This is production-ready AI sales automation, and you can have it running today. If you're a founder, a sales ops lead, or building AI for business at an AI automation agency, this is the template to start with. Drop a comment with your biggest CRM headache, and I'll tell you exactly how to extend this agent to handle it. See you in the next one.